Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can apply motion tracking in Filmora. It's pretty easy, so let's get started. Let me show you this video first. So this is what motion tracking looks like. This text is tracking this particular biker. So I will delete this and I will start from the beginning. So for that we need a video clip, and there is a rule: the object that we are applying the tracking to, that has to be visible all the time in the video. That means it cannot be, the object cannot be invisible, at least invisible at any time. So it has to be present 100% of the duration of the video. So first let me remove the end part of this video, that is not necessary. So basically this is the video. Now double click on the video clip and go to, now the menus are here, basic, masks. We need to go to AI tools and scroll down and we will find motion tracking. So turn on motion tracking, then select your desired object. So in this case I'm going to track this particular biker, and it has to be slightly bigger. The rectangle should cover at least 90% of the area. We cannot do this, so cover the at least 90% of the area. Then once you are satisfied with the selection, simply click to start motion tracking. So it will track the object. As you can see, it is tracking. So it will take some time, and once done we can see the marker. So it has done a very good job. Now we have to find the object that we are going to track it with. So it can be anything, it can be a shape, so it can be a rectangle like this, or first let me try a text that I showed you earlier. So I'm going to go to titles and take default text, increase the length of the text, and I will change the text. I will put the same text, you can put whatever you want. I will decrease the size slightly, and here there is one more step. We need to link this text to the motion tracking. For that we again need to go to AI tools, motion tracking. This is our motion tracking, and link element, go to link element and default title. So this will link. Now position the text wherever you like. So I want it here, so I will show you how it looks. So again I will go to view and full screen, play. So this is how it will look. As you can see, it is tracking this biker. So if you want something else instead of text, I will delete the text. So instead of text, let's say you want a shape. So I will take, let's say, a rectangle. So take rectangle. Again do the same thing. I will put it here, double click, again link element, rectangle, put it in right place, and again if you play this rectangle will track the biker, as you can see. So you can simply track any object using this particular method. I will show you one more example. So for that I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to choose other video. So as you can see, this is a simple video of a small boat in a lake. So I'm now going to track this boat. So again do the same thing, double click, go to AI tools, motion tracking, turn on the motion tracking and select the area that you want to track. So in this instance, I want to track this boat moving slowly. So once you are happy with the selection, simply click here, it will track. So the timing of motion tracking will depend upon the length of your video, quality of your video, and again strength of your computer. So once this is done, again I'm going to take a text. So titles, let me take some different text this time. So I will take this text and I will change the text. You can change it from here, or you can simply go to text and you can change it from here as well. So let's say I will write boat. You can write down whatever you want. I will decrease the size. Again, we need to link this first. So double click on the video clip and glow text, put it, and I'm happy with the position. So as you can see, it is tracking now. So I will turn on the full screen. So this is how we can do it. It is very easy to apply the motion tracking, but we need to use it creatively to make it look effective. So let's say like you are making a documentary video or something and you want to track a particular person or particular object, you can easily apply this particular effect. I will show you one more time. This is how it looks. This is tracking the boat as it goes, and similarly you can always use shape instead of this text. Or if you have, say, let's say you have a logo, you can always import your logo and you can track the object with your logo as well, your brand logo. That doesn't really matter. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.